So this is called a peacemaker.
I am a peacemaker. I treat myself and others with respect. I listen, I share, I care for the earth, air, water, plants, and animals. I am important in this very big world. I know peace begins with me.
Those are rabbits. Those are rabbits. Those are trees. And that stuff is grass.
Yeah, why did you draw that for peace?
Because they're peaceful. A monster.
What kind of monster is it?
I don't know.
Is that a peace monster?
I chose this fish one because I think fish represents peace and nature. And the calm ocean right there. I think this represents peace because it represents nature. And nature is very peaceful in a way. I also think birds are very peaceful, which is why I drew this bird nest.